Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anjam bin Muhammad Salam. My metric number is AA221635. Alright, for the objective of our project, firstly, to calculate the stress and strain experienced by the X. Second, to determine the shear force and bending moment in the handle of the X. Third, to analyze the potential torsional that may occur in the handle of in an X. Fourth, the to extend the blade's cutting capability through modification in shape. And lastly, fifth, to propose modification to extend the overall strength and robustness of the axe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Abdul Hadi Putra bin Raja Ismail Idham. Metric number AA220740. Wood cutting is a simple task because it only requires swinging the axe to begin chopping and repeating on other wooden blocks. This is a requirement because some individuals utilize wood products obtained from cutting wood on a regular basis, such as firewood to heat their homes. The issue that arose was the danger that comes with chopping wood. When chopping wood, one is exposed to a variety of hazards, particularly when doing so for an extended amount of time. Physical injuries from cutting wood include wounds and, in the worst case scenario, finger amputation. Chopping wood for an extended period of time can create back pain and stress the body muscles, resulting in strains all over the body. Therefore, to limit the danger of harm, a new and improved design for an axe was presented in order to increase the efficiency of chopping wood by minimizing the time consumption and manpower necessary.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ismail Jamturan. Nama kerja itu cuma sebagai yang untuk itu was the first we have what metallurgical analysis and performance optimization. It involves a comprehensive examination of metallic materials to understand their composition, structure, and behavior, with the ultimate goal of enhancing their performance to specific application. Second, we have cultural significance and symbolism, refer to the importance and meaning assigned to object, action, or concept making a particular culture. This aspect played a crucial role in shaping the identity, value, and traditions of a community. Lastly, sustainable X design and production. It involves creating tools that are not only effective in their intended use but also minimize environmental impact throughout their life cycle. This approach considers the material use, manufacturing process, energy consumption, and end-of-life consideration.
For the literature review, 3 key pieces of information were discovered through investigation. The first are the processes taken to efficiently chop wood, because improving the instrument necessitates a thorough understanding of what is going on. The second issue is the difficulties that people or professionals in this trade frequently face when chopping wood. The third and final piece of information is to comprehend the core cause of difficulties and suggestions from all across the internet on how to improve wood cutting efficiency. It was stated that injuries are more likely to occur when a person chops wood for an extended period of time. As a result, the 4-splitter axe will chop more wood in a single blow, thus saving plenty of time.
Flowchart. Firstly, start. Second, problem identification. Third, literature review. Fourth, designing. Fifth, design selection. Sixth, modeling. 7, fabrication. 8, testing. And lastly, end.
Well, propose, propose solution of the problems. How to we make an innovation of the blade where shapes play a crucial role in enhancing the overall functionality of an axe. First and foremost, there are focused on versatility by exploring various blade shapes. This involves designing the X blade in a way that make it adept at handling diverse tasks such as chopping, slicing, and piercing. Additionally, the incorporation of multi-bevel edges is considered. By utilizing multiple edges on the blade, the, the aim is to boost chopping and splitting capabilities, ensuring that the X is more effective across a spectrum of cutting needs. Furthermore, the concept of hybrid design is explored, aiming to seamlessly blend traditional X features with modern materials. This approach seeks to maintain the strength associated with traditional design while simultaneously reducing the weight of the X and enhancing its overall durability. Through this innovative blade shapes, the goal is to create versatile and efficient tools that caters to a wide range of cutting requirements.
There were three stages in developing the design, and they have to be undergone in order to succeed the design. The first stage is the construction of the parts of the axe. The axe head, first of all, was created by drawing inspiration from the plus symbol for the blade's edge to produce a 4-splitter element. The handle, on the other hand, was developed with a wave-like texture on the grip surface to improve grip strength. After that, the second stage is the parts assembly, where the axe head and handle were cleanly and snugly connected together with a few nails and a particular locking mechanism to strengthen the joint strength of the two components and prevent them from breaking apart. Finally, the last stage is the touch-up and material evaluation stage. Following the completion of the design, it will be theoretically assessed for edge shape, overall size tolerance, and physical capability, utilizing stress and strain calculations.
Alright, moving on to the calculation for the stress and strain. For the stress, we got the answer is 3.45 exponent 6. And for the strain, we got 0.01. Alright, for the shear force and bending moment, for the shear force, our answer is 0.069. And for the bending moment, we got 9.6 exponent negative 3. For the potential torsion, we got 5.20 exponent 5.
For the final purpose design, the cutting powers of these X is further enhanced by the multi-bevel edges of one piece splitter, allowing it to tackle a variety of material with ease. The sturdy yet agile construction of the X head forged from high-quality steel ensure durability and longevity, while the combination of traditional X features with modern materials result in a balanced tool that retains its strength without compromising on weight. Ergonomics are not overlooked in this design, as the handle is crafted for a comfortable grip that minimizes handle fatigue during prolonged use. This well-balanced weight distribution adds to the overall control and ease of handling, make, making it a reliable companion for both seasoned woodworkers and enthusiasts alike.
A few recommendations for improvement were pointed out to improve the design and practicality of the product so that it will be beneficial for the community. The first one is it is recommended to use a high quality wooden handle with excellent grip. Next, because it must slice the wood in a single swing, the blade must be sharp and robust. Finally, to strengthen the overall strength of the axe and prevent the blade and handle from falling apart, it is advised that the axe have a locking mechanism that holds the blade of the axe firmly to its handle.
Okay, for the conclusion for our project is it can be concluded from the finding that the design is practically efficient. The communication and the calculation have proven that this X will be able to achieve the objectives. laid out during the beginning of the project, which is increasing the efficiency of chopping wood, which will then lead to the decrease of manpower needed, time consumption, and exposure to carelessness that can cause injury from chopping wood for a long duration of time.